I'm taking care of business, I got this thing on lock. I'm staying in a lane, you can't put me in a box. Get out of the way, cause you know I'm coming hot. Oh, how you like this? Oh, yeah, I just wanna do what I got to do. I'm just gonna do, yeah, what I gotta do, yeah. How you like this? Oh, yeah, I'm just gonna do, yeah, what I gotta do, yeah. I'm just gonna do, yeah, what I gotta do, yeah. How you like this? How you like this? Hustle, every day. Gotta hustle, make way. Gotta hustle, every day, yeah. How you like this? Yeah, I'm just gonna do, yeah. What I gotta do, yeah. I'm just gonna do, yeah. What I gotta do, yeah. How you like this? Yeah, I'm just gonna do what I gotta do. I'm just gonna do, yeah. What I gotta do, yeah. How you like this? Hustle, every day. Gotta hustle. How you like this? How you hustle every day, yeah. How you like this?
Nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord kasi naging good steward ka niya to take care of us here on earth. Long life and good health, and I love you, Ma.
You told me that you loved me. How could I forget? Now it's spinning around inside my head. So I hold on, however long, till we both rocking on the porch.
Ang wish ko sa kanya yung physical strength at deeper na lubago sa spiritual para sa lahat ng pupuntahan siya ay she is like an eagle na hindi siya mapapagod saan man siya mamunta. Happy birthday and God bless you.
Oh, another log gone is what she said to me. Just because the stars out doesn't mean we need to sleep. So I wrote her a love song to show her how I feel.
Wish ko, sana bigyan ka ng mahabang buhay, maabutan mo pa yung mga apo mo sa tuhod. Happy birthday ulit. Love you.
Hold on, however long, till we both rocking on the porch.
I wish you good health, good life, happiness, and peace of mind. And wonderful and great evening for you. Happy birthday. Ako, hinahangaan kita bilang ina. Kasi ako marami din akong anak. At nakita ko sa iyo paano ka maging mabuting ina sa mga anak mo. Good health at kumaba pa ang buhay mo. At alam ko, nasa iyo na lahat. Kaya happy birthday.
Yeah, hold on till I'm
Huwag mo stressin yung sarili mo. Mahirap magkasakit, ate.
Enjoy mo na lang kung anong meron ka sa ngayon. Yung love na meron ang mga anak mo para sa iyo. You are so blessed.
Happy birthday. Love you, te.
hold on to hope. Don't let go. Don't give up. There's rest for your weary soul. And time to heal, yeah.
Happy birthday, Mama! Nagpapasalamat ako kasi kasama kita ngayon sa araw ng birthday mo. And ang wish ko sa'yo ay sana makasama ka pa namin ng mahaba, maging masaya pa yung family natin, and mas maging buo pa tayo together. Ayun lang. I love you. Mahal na mahal kita.
God for your life. At ganun ka namin kamahal, nawa you will always feel how much we love you. As I have promised to myself, I will always spoil you to the rest of my life. So mahal ka namin, mahal ka ng Panginoon. And again, happy birthday, enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Mama. I hope and wish na sana lahat ng prayers mo natutupad na namin ngayon. Yun lang. Enjoy the rest of the night. I love you so much, Mama.
If you could lose all your burdens, yeah.
Hi Mama! Happy birthday! We love you! I wish you all the best and nawa, bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay para mahaba pa tayo magkakasama in this lifetime. I love you!
Happy birthday, Grandma! I wish you well. I pray that God always give you good health and please take care of yourselves and we love you very much.